I've been in Bremen for 3 years now. And yes, I really like it here.
Und ja, es gefällt mir gut.
At school, I focused on languages. I enjoy creativity, but the subjects I couldn't explain to myself were always the natural sciences.
I'm studying to expand my knowledge and to better understand the different processes that take place in society. I made a conscious decision in favor of a University of Applied Sciences.
It's small, familiar, and you're not just a number among many.
I feel like I'm learning knowledge for life and truly gaining something for my future career.
The interaction between professors and students is very easygoing.
What defines my studies is the creativity and the nice people around me.
Even outside of your program, it's easy to start conversations with people.
I've made a lot of friends here. You get along really well with the professors. The atmosphere is great. Studying here is a lot of fun.
You really feel taken seriously.
People here meet each other on equal footing.
My studies at the university are definitely challenging.
There's a high density of information that I take home with me every day. Student life is of course wonderful and very diverse. But for me, it's also really important to find peace and quiet again.
I definitely need the opportunity to burn off some energy, so I can clear my head and focus on learning again.
I'm studying because I want to become an architect and because studying itself is just a really cool time.
Our university is very internationally oriented.
It brings lots of people together. Many Erasmus students are studying here.
We have many international degree programs. That means a lot of students actually go abroad. And yes, the programs are very practice-oriented.
Through my studies, I figured out what I want to focus on in the future, and that's the most important thing.
I definitely recommend studying here at Hochschule Bremen.
It's not too big, not too small. You can get everywhere easily.
Bremen makes it easy to stay longer.
People love living here. They identify with the city. And I enjoy living here too.